Now I am going to visit my brother home. He is in hospital, but I go to home, meet his family, have breakfast with them, and then I will go somewhere for sightseeing. It's around 9:40 in the morning, and it's a good weather, sunshine. And that road is MI Road, where we have our jewelry market. That one, that street. And yesterday, my nephew told me that post office start working for taking international packets. So Monday I will go to post office here and ask them for sure, and that would be a good news. If it is working, when I go home, I can start sending some packets which we already have to order. That would be very nice, good news if it is true. He told me he sent one packet to America a few days ago. Let me see. This is the street empty right now because it's a little before 10. And we are going outside towards the city. So not much traffic around here. You see, our old hotel was this side. Brother used to live there. Look at them. Dobro Utra. Today is 18th of October. I am visiting my brother home, and it's nice. My nephew is here, my sister-in-law is here. We're going to have breakfast now, homemade breakfast. Puri, Puri and aloo gobi and raita. Here's Mohit. He's very busy now, going to hospital and sitting there for hours, bringing something what they need for my brother. It's too much work for him. Baba give him more power, more energy. Baba bless. And later we'll be making more video. I'll show you around. This house is empty without my brother, you know. Before he was here always talking and keeping us busy. All right. What can we do? We can pray only. My sister-in-law. Namaste Pajai ji. Actually Pajai वास्ते वीडियो बना रहे हैं उन्होंने भी भेजा ना. She always asks everybody. सबका पूछती है वो. She asked me how is everything. Thank you very much. Sugar for chai. My nephew is going to drive me to the city. He has to go to hospital again. I was visiting his home and had breakfast. Sit there half an hour. Everything fine. Now we are going. Okay, beta. Very good. Now we're going. ओए बाबा
नवरात्र में कर रहे ना.
हाँ
तो लोग थोड़ा बहुत कर लेते हो.
सही बात है भाई, वो तो बड़ी अच्छी बात है. नवरात्र सेकंड नवरात्र टुडे. सर मुझे ध्यान नहीं था, सुबह मैंने आमलेट खा ली, बाद में याद आया कि नवरात्र है. क्या सफर से आया था ना, ध्यान नहीं था.
उनको नहीं करनी चाहिए जो बंदा घर पे पूजा.
नहीं मुझे ध्यान नहीं था. नहीं तो मैंने सोचा था जयपुर जाऊंगा, एक बियर पीऊंगा शाम को. तो जब से मालूम ध्यान आ गया. This is a place, all lot of sweets here. Very famous shop. Long time ago we came with my brother and we ate here some puri, chana. Today we had a breakfast at the home of brother. So not hungry, only I drink some lassi, yogurt lassi. Yeah. Not many people. Today is Sunday. Maybe 2 or no, it's not early, it's 1 o'clock. It's a very big place. Pani is normal. No. ओए बाबा, अरे एक ही बोतल बहुत थी, मेरे तो रूम में पड़ा हुआ पानी.
मेरे को पानी पानी ठंडा चाहिए था।
अच्छा, अरे यार तो फिर तू पी लेता, मैंने तो अभी लस्सी पीनी है। मैंने तो लस्सी ये घर ले जाइयो, मेरे तो होटल में बोतलें
आप ले रहा नहीं
वहीं से भर लो, वहाँ मशीन लगी हुई है ना। मेरे पास 2 ऑलरेडी बोतलें पड़ी हैं रूम में। मिनरल वाटर, यो बेबी, एकदम खाली पड़ा है, एम्प्टी एम्प्टी। लॉट ऑफ स्वीट, स्वीट बहुत है। स्वीट लस्सी विथ सम नट्स,
दिखेगा बादाम दिखेगा
विथ सम नट्स एंड
लगेगा हमारी कंट्री करीब
नजर आ रही एंड वेरी टेस्टी, वेरी टेस्टी। एंड ही टेक salty one, I take sweet. I love sweet. ऐसी मिठाइयाँ हमारे बंगलोर में भी नहीं इतना टेस्ट मिलता जो यहाँ पर है ना। ये मोर टेस्टी इंडियन नॉट स्वीट। और भटूरा, वन डे आई विल ईट भटूरा विथ चना। अपने वाले
यहाँ के बड़े लगता है।
नहीं, यहाँ दिल्ली में अच्छा मिलता है।
यहाँ पे दुकानें कुछ वहाँ मिलता है, अच्छा मिल जाता है।
अच्छा,
नहीं यहाँ का मुझे पसंद नहीं है।
he said Bhatura not here good taste. He no other place. One day we'll go. We'll go. Oi Baba. Yummy, yummy. Yo. Empty, almost empty. चलो दवाई डाउन टू सेंटर ऑफ टू जयपुर। आम्रपाली, आम्रपाली यूलर famous shop, body shop. Yes, Raymond Indian Road. लस्सी वाला, जूता, जयपुर। सीधा पटा, सीधा 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 सीधा। TV shop, big TV, also empty shop. But see, look at that light. Penthouse. Jewelers, beautiful, very very big jeweler. Court shop, Bata, This is called Bapu Bazaar. Bapu is like the father. Bapu Bazaar is market. Here we have been many times, and very few people here now. It's around 6 o'clock, 10 minutes, evening. I like it. Not too many people. All the different shops. We have been here all before. We have been here. Beautiful shops. I wanted to eat dinner, but later I will find some restaurant. Meanwhile, I'll walk and show you around our Jaipur. I've been here many times. I've been here many times. Yes, I bought one shoe here, long time ago. Yes. Here I also bought shoes here. Oh boy. Oh, yeah. Very nice. Oh, Baba. Look at the shop. Wait. Look. Everywhere. तेरी माँ तो चलूँ मैं देख भोसड़ी के मारूँ एक अरे तेरी माँ तो जोड़ू चुकी है ज़्यादा सियाना बन रही है ज़्यादा सियाना बन रही है अरे मुझे पता है भोसड़ी के मैं पंजाब का भोसड़ी के हैं गांडू चूतिया ऐसी उल्टी की बात कर रहा है देखने का बुजुर्ग आदमी जा रहा है भोसड़ी का More big shops. Look at that. Oi, Punjabi dress. Oi, Baba, Rajasthani dress. Hello. Beautiful shops. Yup. Salam. Hello. Oh, beautiful colors. Beautiful. Oi, keep walking. I need walking, man. $999, now 500. Very good. Oh, a big shop. West. Yes. Nobody out here. Today is Sunday evening. Sunday. Very dark. Some shops are closed. They know there's no business. Here, all pink city. All the buildings are pink. That's why they called it Pink City. Pink City. So shop in the street. Baba bless you. पाजी डबल है
डबल है
डबल है दिस इज डबल हाउ मच
1100 रुपये
ओ बाबा
डबल की 1100 रुपये
हाँ जी हाँ जी
अच्छा ले
कोई नहीं
डिस्काउंट कर देंगे महाराज
आ जाओ मुझे आ जाओ जय मां वसुदेवाय नमः ओम कृष्ण वसुदेवाय नमः ओम श्री कृष्ण वसुदेवाय नमः ओम श्री कृष्ण वसुदेवाय नमः हनुमान जय प्रभु नारायण वसुदेवाय नमः ओम कृष्ण वसुदेवाय नमः राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान जय प्रभु आम तो बैठेंगे Last time I was allowed to go inside. This time they don't allow. I know.
चार दिया ना चाचा जी चार पाँच नहीं चार लाना
जय हनुमान जय हनुमान जय हनुमान मेरा प्रणाम करो मेरा प्रणाम करो धन्यवाद 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 ओए बाबा लीव इट बड़े कितने हाउ मच कितने पे है
20
की
20
हाँ ले ले थैंक यू पाइनएप्पल जूस but good small one but for 30 rupees not many people in the street. I don't know why not. Man, look at the lights in the main center. This road is going to the Palace of Wind. That road. Mall of the town inside. Look at the lights. My God, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Pink City. Pink City, beautiful. Look at that. Oi, 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 oi. Beautiful. Papaya. Selling the fruit. Apple, banana, pomegranate, orange. Oh, Baba. Look at that beautiful building. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Very pretty. Afternoon was very hot. I didn't go out. I spent time with my brother's son until 3 o'clock. Until 3 o'clock. It was nice. Since I cannot see my brother yet, so I spent time with him. I feel good. He was happy also. He needed support. He was all alone here. He has a mother here, but no friend, real friend, no uncle, no auntie. So it was very good that I visit. I stayed 3 more days. He wants me to stay longer. He said, come to my home and stay. But I don't feel good. He will be going to hospital. I cannot go to hospital and sit at home. No, I better go to Puttaparthi and go to my ashram. That would be nice. Wow, wow, beautiful. Wow, 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 wow. It's like a mini palace. Beautiful. Oh, this Rajasthani puppet. Yeah, show. Puppet show. It's puppet. Yeah. Puppet show. Here's it. So, yeah. Yes. But most of the shops are closed because of Sunday. And they know business is down. That's why open? Why open? LMB. I don't know. I've been here many times. Chola bhatura, kachori, samosa 15 rupees, and chana and bhatura. And no bus, no anything. Hi. Nice sportsman. Empty shop. मैडम बेटा रशिया में है अभी फ्लाइट आने रही मैडम इज इन रशिया देयर इज नो फ्लाइट long time ago my brother has invited me here for very good lunch. This is Rajasthani food serving here. Look, 3 different plates, dal, chana and this other vegetable. They'll bring some chapati. I will ask them how much it costs, but I came here long time ago and I remember, so I asked people direction and they told me here, so I found it. So I'm happy. But a chapati lao? You can eat as much you want. It must be around 50-60 rupees, not more. Very simple, only 3 small items. You know? So, good not cheat. Let me bring the rice. Thank you. Bas. Thank you, beta. Look, chapati coming fresh with onion. Good not cheat. Beautiful center. This is very close to the Palace of Wind. Police station of Jaipur. Police station. And that is the Palace of Wind. I'm going there right now. This is a market opposite the Palace of the Wind. That is the Palace of Wind. Wind Palace. It was Palace of Wind. If you go on top, you get the wind all the time. Beautiful. write in Hindi, mask is the medicine, vaccine for the corona. Meanwhile, beautiful. This is the street of that. We were here before. Wind View Cafe. Yeah, that's very nice, very nice. Baba bless you. Baba bless you. Baba bless you. I'm here. I'm here. I am here. Tie down. Tie down, tie down, tie down. Okay, Swami. Thank you. Thank you, Baba. This is the entrance of the city palace, Maharaja Palace. You can go from inside, and there is the Maharaja's Palace and the city museum, palace, and Jantar Mantar observatory. This is a beautiful entrance. All pink, yeah, everything is pink. Chalo beta, very good. This is the road going to the palace. Very good. Not allowed for normal people. Beautiful. Wow, wow. Very beautiful. Very proud. Get out. Beautiful Minar in Urdu. Tower. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. We are all eating pani puri, pani puri, pani puri, selling bangles. No traffic, very good this time. Sunday evening. This is temple in the middle of the street, temple. Night life of Jaipur. Driving in the night in my rickshaw. Also temple in the street here. Look, how many temples we have. Beautiful palace. Oh God, beautiful palace. Beautiful, beautiful city. Beautiful city. City of gems. City of gems, precious stone. Ruby, sapphire, emerald, all everything. Cutting, making here. Oh Baba. Oh, small temple in the middle again. One. Oh, full of people. People. This is my hotel, Arya Nivas, and this is the garden. In the morning, I had breakfast yesterday. Now, after dinner, I come back here. I order one chai. You can sit in the garden. This is an umbrella, and very nice, beautiful place, quiet, very clean. It's very, very good, very clean hotel. Yo. It's very nice. I like this small lamp. This is water. I don't eat water after the food, but I will have chai. Yo, it's very nice. They spray everywhere, look. They are spraying. Bear Spring. Sanitizing. Bear Spring. Everywhere Spring. Very good thing, very good thing. Very safe. Very beautiful place. It's only 7:35 in the evening and it's very dark. Not like Petersburg. Maybe it's dark in Petersburg nowadays. I don't know. I don't know. Yo. Very, very nice. Soon I will get chai and then I will go to my room. Sit down in the room in the evening. Not going out. Not going out. I walked today half an hour, 40 minutes.